children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And today I have a new story for you people. Do you know the name of the story? This story is about King Arthur. And in the story, this story has been adapted from the book The Legend of King Arthur, written by S.K. Ram. And the story will take you to the past and will help you to know more about King Arthur. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. But before that, बच्चों, let's begin with startup. Look at the pictures and write their names. Okay? And now I'm going to start the story. Let's read this. This happened more than 1000 years ago. It was Christmas week. The morning was cold and bright. The sun was shining and there was joy and excitement in the air. A number of barons had come to London and they had come to elect their new king and were all assembled in the church. तो नया राजा चुनने के लिए बहुत सारे नोबल लोग आए और चर्च में इकट्ठे हो गए. They prayed for God's help and guidance in choosing their new king. तो उन्हें मदद लेनी पड़ी भगवान की. उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी मदद करे हमारा नया राजा चुनने में. When they came out of the church, they stood still and gasped. In front of them, there was a rock, and in the rock there was a beautiful sword. The sword was driven deep into the rock, and on the rock, in letters of gold, was written, "Whoever pulls out the sword will be the king. God so wills it." तो जो भी इसे बाहर खींचेगा रॉक से वही राजा बन जाएगा. ऐसा लिखा था वहाँ पर. कुछ वर्ड्स जो आपके लिए डिफ़िकल्ट थे उनका मीनिंग भी देख लेते हैं. बैरोन मीन्स अ नोबल मैन, स्टिल मीन्स विदाउट मूवमेंट, गैस्प मीन्स टू ब्रीथ डीपली इन सरप्राइज. द बैरोन्स वर एक्साइटेड एंड they rushed forward, and for each one of them thought he would be able to pull out the sword without the slightest effort. तो उन्हें लग रहा था बड़ा आसान है, ये तो झटके में निकल आएगी. But they were greatly astonished. One by one they tried, but they couldn't move the sword even an inch. 250 barons tried, and each one of them said to himself, "It is impossible to pull out the sword." लास्ट में उन्होंने बोल दिया ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है. और पहले उन्हें क्या लग रहा था देख के, अरे ये तो कोई भी निकाल लेगा. It seems the sword is part of the rock. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे उसके अंदर ही बिल्कुल इसके अंदर ही उसमें घस गई हो. The barons were disappointed. A few of them decided to have some sport. One of these was Sir Ector. He had come there with his son Sir Kay and a young Arthur. Everyone thought Arthur was his younger son. Sir Kay had forgotten to bring his sword from the chamber. He asked Arthur to fetch it. Arthur went to get it. On the way, he passed by the church and saw the sword fixed in the rock. No one was there. तो जब वो लेने गया, उनकी जो तलवार अंदर रह गई थी, तो उसने देखा कि ये तो इसमें रोक में लगी हुई है और कोई वहाँ था भी नहीं. He felt an irresistible urge to try to pull out this sword. He ran to the rock, put his hand on the hilt and pulled. The sword slipped out of the rock like a knife from a soft pat of butter. तो कितनी जल्दी निकल गई, जैसे हम मक्खन लगाते हैं ना, उसके लिए हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं नाइफ, उसकी तरह है ना. Arthur ran to Sir Kay with the sword. Sir Kay jumped up with joy. He called out his father and said, "I will be the king. Look, I have the sword. Arthur pulled it out for me from the rock." Difficult words. Astonished means shocked. Urge means a strong desire. Hilt means the handle of a sword or knife. Pat means a flat lump of butter. If Arthur pulled it out, then Arthur must be the king. Sir Ector told Sir Kay gently. Then he called Arthur, embraced him and said, "My child, I love you very much, but you are not my son." तो उन्होंने बोला कि अगर उसने निकाली है तो वही बनेगा राजा। तो उन्होंने उसे बुलाया, प्यार किया और बोला, मेरे बच्चे, तुम बहुत प्यारे हो, मैं तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, लेकिन तुम मेरे बेटे तो नहीं हो। यू आर द सन ऑफ किंग अर्थर पेंड्रागन and your father was an extremely good king and ruled wisely for many years. You are the rightful heir to the throne. Then how did I come to you? Asked Arthur. When you were a baby, came the reply. Merlin, the king's advisor, gave you to me to bring up. तुम्हारी देखभाल करने के लिए मुझे दिया गया था जब तुम छोटे बच्चे थे। Then Sir Ector asked Arthur to return to the church and put the sword back into the rock. Arthur did as he was told. तो उसे वापस रखने के लिए कहा गया। So Sir Ector went to the archbishop. Please, he requested, allow my younger son to pull the sword out of the rock. The archbishop agreed, and all the barons assembled in front of the church. Arthur grasped the hilt and pulled out the sword without any effort. The archbishop blessed Arthur and proclaimed him the king. Arthur was young and the barons were not willing to accept him as king, क्योंकि वो तो बहुत young था. They demanded that he should pull out the sword once again. उसे एक बार दोबारा तलवार निकालनी पड़ेगी. On the first day of May, they all came to the church in London, and for the third time Arthur pulled out the sword. Merlin was also there. He told the barons, "This is the true son of King Arthur Pendragon." They accepted him as their king. Arthur proved to be brave and courageous warrior. So then he loved his magic sword, Excalibur, and always carried it in battle. Archbishop, this is a bishop of highest rank. Grasp means to catch and proclaim means to declare. बच्चों, आपने इस कहानी को बहुत अच्छे से सुना। चलिए अब प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस देखते हैं। व्हाट वी हैव लर्न्ड, लेट्स प्रैक्टिस दैट थ्रू एक्सरसाइजेस। Extract based questions, tick the correct option in A part, and in B part you have to read the given extract from the story and answer the questions that follow. And in C part you have to fill in the blanks. In D part you have to write T for true and F for false statements. So कुछ statements आपके लिए गलत हैं और कुछ सही हैं, चेक करिए और accordingly T and F mention करिए. E part, answer the following questions in short and answer the following questions. तो short answers को आपको 3-4 lines में लिखना है और जो answers आपको डिटेल में लिखने हैं in F part उन्हें describe करिए. What's in the story, Arthur's worthiness to become king is determined by his ability to pull the sword from the stone. Do you believe that such a test is a fair and just way to choose a leader? Why or why not? What qualities do you think are important for a leader and how might they be better assessed? Okay, think about. Play with words, make sentence of your own with the help of given words, and then match the words with the their meanings. Grammar in use, the words that help to join words and sentences are called conjunctions. For example, Preeti and Sonam are good friends. So here conjunction is and. She will do the complete work but she will get late. So but is the conjunction here. I cannot go outside because I am busy with some work. Because is conjunction. So two sentences को join करने के लिए हमने in conjunction का use किया है. तो आप क्या करेंगे अभी? Match the following. Okay? Then fill in the blanks by using suitable conjunctions. Then you have enrich your skills, listen carefully, and then speak out. King Vikramaditya was known for his wisdom and justice. Do you agree with this? Discuss in class. Writing part में आपके पास है look at the picture of Christmas, write a few lines on the celebration of Christmas, and while doing this, have fun, enjoy my children.